Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're well. This page is going to show us how to install Minecraft Education Edition if you are at home on a personal device. So Minecraft Education Edition is available on many different devices: iPad, iPhone, Chromebook, Windows and Mac. So this video will appear in this page here. So you can see MC Inventions with Mr. Glenn using Minecraft Education at home, and you can find it in this page here underneath Year 3 Inventions. So there are a few things we just need to make sure that we can get done ahead of time to save you some time. So these links here will take us to the respective stores. Education Edition I don't think is in the store. It's actually on the Microsoft Education website. So if we just go into the app store, so if you're on an iPad, this is free, of course. They're all free. And you can sign in with your school email address and password. So just go into your app store on your iPad, find Minecraft Education Edition and download using your password or your thumbprint or whatever you're using, your Face ID. On the Play Store, you can install this on a Chromebook. Not many of us are on Chromebooks. However, there are one or two people at school who use Chromebooks at home, which is all fine. Inside the Education Minecraft sub-pages, you've got this one here. You should recognize which device you're on. And this is for Windows. I'm on a Windows device here. And so you can go and grab Windows. You've got Chromebook, iPad, and then Mac. One note though, if you are on a Mac, once you install it and you drag it into your applications folder to install, you may encounter this. So what you need to do is, once you've tried to open it, you need to go into your settings and privacy and security, which is in your Mac settings. You need to hit allow. This one here says Oracle America Inc. You also say Minecraft Education Edition was blocked. You may have it, you may not. You may have turned that off before, but just ahead of time, this is usually the stumbling block that stops people from getting the application installed on their device. Right, so once you've got that installed, open it up, and then you will have a page. I'm in my world here, so you'll have a page that says sign in with school at the very beginning in a little window that looks like this, and then your username, your school username, will appear in the corner like this. So that's it for installing. The only tricky part usually is, as I said before, is the Mac, but then you need to go and allow in your privacy and security settings on the MacBook itself. Okay. Email us if you have any problems. We'll be extremely happy to help you. Thank you.